How do I start a career in digital marketing? Anup Gupta says, as more and more companies turn to the internet to generate sales, the demand for professionals with expertise in digital marketing has increased. The industry is fast-paced, evolving, and there are many challenges and rewards, including potential lucrative income. Now is the time to switch your focus to digital marketing if you've ever thought of it. And lucky for you, it's not necessary to have a traditional marketing degree to get started, although some training will help to get your foot in the door. Here are some things you can do right now to begin your career in digital marketing. 1. Create your own website. 2. Choose one digital marketing channel to focus on. 3. Learn more about your chosen digital marketing channel. 4. Execute on what you're learning. 5. Familiarize yourself with free digital marketing tools. 6. Apply for a job in marketing. 7. Furthering your career. Regardless of which path you take, there are 2 things you should constantly be doing to master digital marketing. First and foremost, education. Marketing is a field that is always changing. You'll have to keep studying, implementing, testing, and perfecting your skills. Reading books, listening to podcasts, watching videos, and following thought leaders online are all good ways to start. The second point is networking. Networking not only exposes you to prospective professional prospects, but it also allows you to meet people with new and different opinions than you. This can broaden your horizons and help you advance in your job. After all, you'll never be able to know everything. Harsh Gupta says, the career of a digital marketer can vary from one niche to the next and involve different skill sets, depending on what type of marketing you'll be doing. However, there are certain commonalities between all types of digital marketers, such as having an entrepreneurial spirit and being able to use creativity in order to show your work. There are many skill sets to learn in digital marketing. If you are looking for a career in digital marketing, focusing on your strengths and learning new skills is required. If you think you have what it takes to be a digital marketer, try these steps. 1. Select a marketing course at your local community college or university that matches your interests and skill set. Marketing is a broad field that covers all aspects of buying and selling, spending, promoting products and services. There are many different areas and skills involved in marketing, like social media marketing, email marketing, advertising, graphic design, and more. 2. Build an online portfolio and apply for job postings on the course website or with the school's career center. The job market is changing, and so are the employers. To succeed in today's job market, you need to update your skill set. Utilize your education from the Pratt Institute and build a portfolio of your work on our online learning platform. 3. Start networking with people who have experience in the field. One of the most important aspects of the job is networking. Start with making a list of past employers in your field and then reach out to them for advice and referrals. Revo Yu says, digital marketing is indeed one of the roles you'll quickly find on every job portal, with thousands of vacant positions currently open. And if you're planning to be one, then one of the ways that are proven to have helped many people secure their dream job within months is by joining an online bootcamp. Now the question is, which bootcamp should you trust? There are a lot of online bootcamps in digital marketing, but only a few have the capability of helping people secure the job directly after they finish the program. And let me tell you, Revo Yu will be the best option for you. Here's why. We offer you a 3-month online course taught directly by experienced practitioners working for top tech companies in C. As an optional, students can also gain additional 3 months of apprenticeship with an actual client, handling a real project. The class is outside of working hours and 100% online, but don't worry, it is very interactive with all the games, weekly projects, and dedicated teaching assistants. For the job seeker, Revo Yu is also really helpful in assisting students in landing their dream job by conducting regular classes such as CV and portfolio building, job interview mock-up, and even salary negotiation. On top of that, you'll also connect to a personal career coach for you to consult anything related to your job seeking and career journey. And that's not all. Land over to apply.revu.co to find out more about why Revo Yu is the best option to kickstart your career as a digital marketer. Who knows, maybe I'll see you in our next batch soon. Thanks for watching our video on How Do I Start a Career in Digital Marketing?